よろしく、ネイティブキャンプへようこそ。Gregg と申します。Hello and welcome to Native Camp. My name is Gregg, and I'm a graduate of California State University in Chico, with degrees in Information and Communication Studies, English Linguistics, and Business Administration. I have over 25 years' experience teaching English conversation, business English, TOEIC and IELTS preparation, academic writing, engineering English, oral presentations, as well as English linguistics to students of all ages and abilities. I'm an author and entrepreneur, a worldwide traveler, music aficionado, and much, much more, and guaranteed to make your English learning experience both memorable and rewarding. I look forward to seeing you soon.